do this set with me. I was already about to be finished with it, but I said, why not record it? This is probably my third time doing this, and I love. I don't really know what this is called. Let me know down below, but this is how I kind of achieved it. I started off with just freehanding like 2 circles and a half small one at the bottom. You can usually fit 3 with the longer nail, but it's all preference. Don't think too hard when it comes to drawing a perfect circle, because once you fill it in with the white, you can go back in and fix it a little. I really don't know what this is called, but look at how cute. The bling really pulled it all together. Like, comment how I did. Thank you.